Something I dedicate to my little girl, my father in heaven. Yeah. Few people in my life that I wish I could have around me. This song one favorite rappers taught me to open up on. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. Some real shit.
What is it?
What is it? It's triple.
I got daddy issues. Yeah. Nigga, I'd have had it from day one. Yeah. Mama waited till I was 7 to say, son. 3 years later, he passed away at the age of 46. So for me, that relationship ain't exist. Not that he knew though. Tracy was out there fucking with who knows. Niggas that gave him feelings and half of the drugs that who knows. Ever since I was young, I had blamed him for what I do know. He was smiling on his porch, his life was studo. Now I'm about to be 25 with a daughter going through the same thing. So I know that little girl is all me. Her mama hate my guts and wanna see me looking weak. And now I gotta beg her just to see my fucking seed. Don't know if this what infinity feel like. Circles that don't stop, man, it shouldn't be real life. Give a fuck what she feel is right. Got the right to be a father as much as I love my daughter. But the fact she even got his fucking eyes and made me cry, cause she'll never know who she look like.
She don't, dog.
Now she never know who she look like.
She won't.
But I'll tell you one thing, it ain't just me. She look just like somebody I just haven't got to see in a long damn time.